Hey everyone, this is Patrick again, just with another short video going over another new feature that I'm calling Recipe Roundups. So you've probably seen this on some other food blogs online, and it's an opportunity for you to list out older recipes in a category sort of view to resurface them and highlight those recipes that maybe you released a long time ago and you just want more people to see. This is a really good opportunity for that. So as you can see on the screen here, I've just created a blog post called Simple Vegan Camping Recipes, the recipes that I usually make when I'm out backcountry camping up here in Canada. And as you can see, it's just got the recipe image on the left-hand side, the title, and then the description, and then a button that when clicked will go to the recipe card. So it's very simple, but I think it's a really powerful tool for a lot of you stores that have a lot of recipes and that your customers haven't been discovering some of those older ones. It's a really good opportunity to resurface them again and highlight them to get more views, get more eyes on those recipes. So to enable it, we've got a help documentation article that I will list in the YouTube description. But very quickly, we can go over when you go to customize theme on Shopify, click on the app embed section on the left here, and then you're just going to want to enable the recipe roundup feature. And you can change the button color here. So once that's done, you'll just need to hop into a blog post on Shopify and add whatever text you want. And then we need to add some specific syntax, some specific styled text for the recipe list, recipe roundup to show up. The documentation article, you can just copy and paste this in. It might look a little bit complicated, but once you do it once or twice, it'll be really easy for you. So we just add in this recipe list and then list out the blog post handles or URLs here. And once we save that, we will get this nice looking list style article that shows all of our specified recipes. So give it a try. This is still a work in progress, but I think it's a really powerful feature that a lot of you will be able to use right away. And I'm really excited to see what kind of articles you guys come up with. So let me know if you have any questions, and thanks again for using Recipe Kit.